Critics accuse this man of undermining the independence of the Eurozone's central bank. But German Finance Minister Wolfgang Schäuble believes it's his turf that risks being infringed upon by the ECB.
Je mehr wir Wachstum dynamisieren, umso mehr befreien wir die EZB.
The more we are able to reform our structures, the more growth we create, and the more we defend the ECB from being overstrained. In general, a permanent zero interest rate or negative interest rate is not a reasonable situation. There is no question about it. That is not the function of interest rates.
ECB boss Mario Draghi saw things rather differently. Amongst other measures, he dropped interest rates to a record low and said they'd have to stay there for an extended period.
We are providing substantial monetary stimulus to counteract heightened risks to the ECB's price stability objective.
The aim was to get money flowing into the struggling real economy by encouraging banks to lend. What that doesn't guarantee is that consumers or companies will actually borrow.
They would buy more shares, they would invest in the real estate sector, given that no firms are available who would demand additional credit. So banks have to move to more risky assets, and therefore there is, of course, increasing risk that the development in the asset markets is more driven by speculative motives.
At this sensitive moment for the bloc's shaky economic recovery, German politicians and Europe's bankers are again on a collision course.
The ECB is not the only central bank engaged in what is essentially a massive economic experiment, and nobody quite knows yet what the final outcome is going to be. But clearly, while Mario Draghi still believes he's pumping vital lifeblood into the global economy, others, this man included, are increasingly unsure. Henderson, CCTV, Berlin.